The dust, the grit, the grime, it's everywhere. What did you sign up for? What were you really expecting? You've graduated with a civil engineering degree. Congrats. Years of study, late nights, and challenging exams have finally paid off. You probably pictured yourself designing futuristic, sustainable cities, gleaming towers that touch the sky, and innovative infrastructure that revolutionizes urban living. Or iconic green bridges, gracefully arching across vast landscapes, symbols of progress and environmental responsibility. That's the dream, right? The vision that fueled your passion and drove you through those tough semesters. But here's the reality, a dose of unfiltered truth about what awaits you in the field. Your first year is less about grand visions, less about immediately shaping skylines, and more about gritty, hands-on work. It's about getting your boots dirty and understanding the fundamentals from the ground up. Before you design that solar skyscraper, that beacon of sustainable innovation, you'll be learning about the ground it stands on, literally. Soil composition, load-bearing capacity, and the intricate dance between earth and structure. The theories from your classroom, the elegant equations and meticulously crafted models will collide with the chaos of a real construction site. A symphony of noise, a ballet of heavy machinery, and a constant stream of unexpected challenges. The gap between expectation and reality, that initial moment of, "this isn't what I signed up for," is where your true education begins. It's where you learn to adapt, improvise, and apply your knowledge in ways you never imagined. You won't start by changing the world, not on day one at least. You'll start by troubleshooting why concrete isn't setting, battling humidity, temperature, and a whole host of other unpredictable factors. Or arguing over recycled steel, ensuring its quality and suitability for the project, navigating complex regulations and material specifications. Your first year is a trial by fire, a baptism in the realities of construction, stripping away academic ego, the sense of invincibility that comes with a fresh degree, and rebuilding you as a practical problem-solving engineer. Someone who can think on their feet, adapt to changing circumstances, and find solutions where others see only obstacles. You signed up for the dust, the ever-present haze that coats everything and everyone. The noise, the cacophony of jackhammers, generators, and shouting workers. The frustrations, the inevitable setbacks and unexpected complications that test your patience and resolve. And the small victories. The moments of triumph when a problem is solved, a deadline is met, and progress is made. You'll learn how a building comes to life, from the initial blueprints to the final inspection. From the first shovel, breaking ground and marking the beginning of something new, to the last coat of paint, adding the finishing touches that transform a structure into a home, an office, a community space. The dream of building a sustainable future is real, and it's within your reach. But the path is paved with rebar, the steel skeleton that gives strength and stability. Wet concrete, the lifeblood of construction, and hard lessons, the invaluable experiences that shape you into the engineer you're meant to be. Welcome to civil engineering, a profession that demands dedication, resilience, and a willingness to learn. Tough, messy, and where the magic really happens. Where dreams take shape and visions become reality. This isn't to scare you, it's to prepare you. To give you a realistic expectation of what lies ahead. Ready for the real journey, the one that starts not in a classroom but on a construction site. Section 2. Your first day. Not a TED Talk, but a Toolbox talk. It's a stark contrast, isn't it? You've spent years immersed in textbooks, lectures, and simulations, dreaming of shaping skylines and engineering marvels. Now, the rubber meets the road, or rather, the steel-toed boot meets the muddy ground. You show up in your best shirt, crisp and clean, ready to impress. Ready to talk sustainability and design, armed with the latest theories and innovative solutions. You're eager to implement those cutting-edge green technologies you studied so diligently. Instead, you get a hard hat, a symbol of the practical world you're now entering. Oversized boots, because safety trumps style on a construction site. And a spot in a noisy, dusty corner of the site, far from the sleek design studios you imagined. The air is thick with the smell of concrete and diesel, a far cry from the sterile environment of a university lab. Your first meeting? A 7 a.m. Toolbox talk about safety, a crucial reminder of the risks involved in this hands-on environment. Not sustainability, at least not directly. Safety is the priority, the foundation upon which everything else is built. Your first task? Checking sand and gravel deliveries, ensuring the materials meet the required specifications, not designing rainwater systems, not yet. The immediate need is to ensure the quality of the basic building blocks. The transition from college to site is abrupt, a culture shock almost. Practical awareness and clear communication matter more than theory. It's about understanding the real-world challenges and conveying information effectively to the team. The dream of a clean, green career filled with innovative designs and sustainable solutions gets a reality check, a dose of the grit and grime that comes with building something real. This is your initiation, your trial by fire, so to speak. Learning that engineering is about tangible work, about the physical manifestation of your designs, and understanding the people who build what you design, the skilled tradespeople who bring your vision to life. Your first day isn't a disappointment. It's not a setback, but a step forward. It's your real start, the beginning of your journey as a practical, hands-on engineer. To build the future, you must first understand the present, the realities of construction, in all its noisy, chaotic glory. Embrace the chaos, learn from the experience, and build something amazing. Section 3. The Great Divide. When your textbooks meet the trenches. In college, materials behave perfectly. On site, everything's unpredictable. That ideal concrete mix? Now it's at the mercy of sun, rain, and human error. The soil isn't textbook perfect. It's a messy mix of clay, rock, and debris. Suddenly, formulas don't fit, and your academic confidence gets tested. Sustainability adds another layer. Convincing a skeptical foreman to try recycled materials is harder than any exam. Here, you learn to adapt, improvise, and respect the practical wisdom of experienced workers. Your textbook is a guide, not a rule book. Bridging theory and practice is your real challenge and your biggest growth. This is where you become a true engineer. Section 4. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's your daily job. You dream of landmark green projects, but real sustainability happens in daily decisions. It's about saving trees, reusing soil, managing waste, and checking for ethical materials. Every small action adds up to real environmental impact. Navigating regulations and ensuring compliance is part of your job, not just paperwork, but real responsibility. Balancing sustainability with budget and schedule is tough. You must advocate for green choices, using data to show their long-term value. Sustainability isn't a department, it's a mindset for every task. Your first year will teach you that being green is about persistence and practical action. Make every decision count. In college, you master technical skills. On site, people skills matter just as much. You'll explain complex ideas to workers, negotiate with suppliers, and coordinate with architects and trades. Communication is critical. A misunderstanding can cause costly mistakes or accidents. Use simple language, visual aids, and always listen to experienced workers. Respectful, two-way communication builds trust and keeps projects moving. Negotiation is daily reality. Finding solutions, not just winning arguments. Empathy and creativity help you bridge gaps between design and reality. Your first year is a crash course in human psychology. Projects are built with relationships as much as with concrete and steel. Mastering people skills makes you a leader, not just an engineer. Learn from everyone around you. Build trust, solve problems, and keep the team together. That's how you succeed. Civil engineering is an emotional roller coaster. Some days, you'll feel unstoppable solving problems, seeing your designs come to life, making a real impact. Other days, everything goes wrong, equipment fails, weather ruins plans, and your green ideas get shot down. You'll face pressure to cut corners and resistance to change. The emotional toll is real. Burnout and self-doubt happen. Celebrate every small win, every ton of waste recycled, every drop of water saved. For the lows, develop resilience and a long-term view. Changing an industry is a marathon, not a sprint. Your first year will test your endurance and your belief in a sustainable future. Stay patient, persistent, and remember why you started. Every challenge is a step forward. You will make mistakes. Misreading drawings, ordering wrong materials, underestimating time. On site, mistakes cost money, time, and sometimes safety. Don't hide errors. Own them, learn from them, and fix them fast. Every mistake is a lesson in humility and growth. Find a mentor, someone who's been there, made those mistakes, and can guide you. Ask questions, be curious, and soak up practical wisdom. Celebrate small milestones. Your first successful concrete pour, your first negotiation, your first green idea adopted. These victories build your confidence and expertise. Your first year transforms you from a graduate to a professional. Embrace the process. Learning the hard way is the only way. Mentors and milestones shape your journey. Mistakes aren't failures. They're stepping stones. Keep moving forward. Success in civil engineering isn't just about building big anymore. It's about building smart, responsibly, and for the future. True success is measured by carbon saved, water conserved, and community impact. Think beyond the site, use local materials, create green spaces, restore ecosystems. Your career is a platform for lasting positive change. Technical skills are your tools. Your purpose is societal and environmental benefit. Your greatest achievement might be a simple water system or a restored river, not a skyscraper. This is the new legacy, what you preserve, heal, and improve for future generations. Redefine success. Make it about impact, not just scale. Build for people and the planet. That's the future of engineering. You're at the start of your career, a pivotal moment filled with potential and promise. The world of engineering stretches before you, vast and complex, waiting for your unique contribution. Armed with knowledge, gleaned from countless hours of study and fueled by a passion for problem solving, you possess the tools to shape the world around you. Ambition, that burning desire to achieve something meaningful, to leave your mark on the landscape, both literally and figuratively. It's the engine that will drive you forward. And a desire to make a difference, a deep-seated conviction that your skills can be used to improve lives, to build stronger communities, and to create a more sustainable future for all. The path will be tough, filled with challenges that will test your resolve and push you to your limits. And the gap between ideals and reality will test you, forcing you to confront the complexities of real-world constraints and the compromises that sometimes must be made. But your mission is clear: to navigate these challenges with integrity and purpose. Be a force for change from within, a catalyst for progress in an industry that is constantly evolving. Be the voice of sustainability, advocating for environmentally responsible practices and innovative solutions that minimize our impact on the planet. Challenge old habits, question the status quo, and dare to imagine a better way of doing things, and innovate. Embrace new technologies, explore cutting-edge techniques, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Bridge theory and practice with determination and wisdom, applying your academic knowledge to real-world problems with sound judgment and careful consideration. Commit to lifelong learning, recognizing that the field of engineering is constantly evolving and that continuous growth is essential. New materials, technologies, and ideas are always emerging, constantly reshaping the landscape of engineering. Stay curious, always seeking to understand the world around you and to learn from every experience. Adaptable, willing to adjust your approach in the face of unexpected challenges and to embrace new ways of thinking. And connected to others who share your vision, building a strong network of colleagues and mentors who can support you on your journey. Every obstacle is a lesson, an opportunity to learn and grow, to refine your skills, and to strengthen your resolve. Every small victory a step forward, a testament to your hard work and dedication, and a reminder that you are making a difference. You're not just building structures, you're shaping the future of our communities. You're building a new standard for the industry, one that prioritizes sustainability, innovation, and social responsibility. Your responsibility goes beyond concrete and steel. It extends to the people who will live, work, and play in the spaces you create. You have the power to create a sustainable, equitable, and beautiful future. A world where infrastructure enhances the quality of life for all. Embrace the journey, dust and all, with all its challenges and rewards. Now go out there and start building it, brick by brick, idea by idea, creating a better tomorrow for generations to come.